So we have already studied that electric field intensity is equal to force per unit charge. That means what is the force in presence of electric field? It is E into Q. Better to write Q into E, one and the same thing, QE. The direction of the electric field intensity will decide the direction of force experienced by the charge. Of course, plus and minus of this charge will decide the direction of, that is, the net impact of this vector quantity will decide the direction of force. If charge is negative and if charge is positive, they will move in different directions. If charge is negative, it will move opposite to the direction of electric field, and if charge is positive, it will move in the same direction as the direction of electric field intensity. Now, the forces of magnitude, please correct it. This is written in the PPT as PE, but this is QE. Force experienced as QE. That's why I'm writing this formula to recall your concept. So the forces of magnitude QE act opposite to each other. ये माइनस चार्ज है, सो ये अपोजिट टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड काम कर रहा है. ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो ये सेम डायरेक्शन में काम कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के. एंड ये कहाँ से आया कंसेप्ट? इट इज़ फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन. सो when we are dealing with single charge of dipole, then they are acting in opposite direction, but they can't move and show translatory motion because it is a dipole, not the individual charges are placed inside uniform electric field. So the direction of the negative charge is towards towards this left hand side of the board or copier, and the positive charge is experienced in this side. We can say they are acting opposite to each other. Are they constituting balanced force? Because the magnitude is same and magnitude दोनों का कितना है? QE. वेक्टर नोटेशन यूज करिए, आसानी रहेगी आपको. जो माइनस चार्ज है वो कितना एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है? माइनस QE. और जो प्लस चार्ज है वो कितना फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है? प्लस QE. This will tell you the whole story. If, and this is F experienced by minus charge and F experienced by plus charge. So plus towards positive axis and negative towards negative axis. So they are acting opposite to each other. And if they are acting opposite to each other, why they are not constituting balanced force? Forces are equal in magnitude, forces are opposite in direction, but there is one more thing, and that is, yes, and that is they are acting not at the same point, not at the same line. Their line of action is different. That's why they are constituting couple, and couple is responsible for producing torque. ये आपने 11th में rotatory motion में पढ़ा है. So this is the meaning of torque. So how to calculate this torque? यही टॉर्क कैलकुलेट करने के लिए अपन ने सारा ये सिस्टम जनरेट किया है. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट टॉर्क ऑन एन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इन अ यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Torque is any force, that is either of the two forces, magnitude of the any of the two forces. Magnitude is same, force का magnitude रखना है और perpendicular distance between the two forces. So this is the formula for torque. What is electric force? Please correct here also. It is not small t, but it is torque. It is torque, written as tau, torque. Okay, so tau is equal to QE into, this is the perpendicular distance between the two. How? This is force number 1, ये है, and this is force number 2, ये है. ये फोर्स कितना है? Q into E. नेगेटिव साइन की वजह से इसका डायरेक्शन पलट गया है. एंड दिस इज प्लस Q into E. Then the perpendicular distance between the two is, and this is theta. The angle with which the torque rotates due to couple. आप स्क्रू ड्राइवर पे काम करके देखिए, आप जब फोर्स लगाते हैं तो आप उसके दोनों एंड्स को अपनी अंगूठे से और अपनी फर्स्ट फिंगर से उसको घुमाते हैं. योर फिंगर इज अप्लाइंग फोर्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन and opposite to that particular direction your thumb is applying force, and this is creating couple of two forces, equal and opposite forces acting at different lines of action. जहाँ भी आप जिस भी चीज़ को आपको घुमाना है, गोल गोल पेन घुमाते हैं आप टेबल पे, तो क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस पे एक तरफ उसके पॉइंटर पे और दूसरी तरफ उसके एंड पे आप फोर्स लगाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन फिंगर एंड थंब, एंड दैट इज डिफरेंट लाइन ऑफ एक्शन. डू इट, करके देखिए. So this is your theta, angle with which the thing rotates. स्क्रूड्राइवर का जो पॉइंटर है वो रोटेट करता है, या आपका पेन रोटेट कर रहा है, या ये डाइपोल रोटेट करेगा. So this is the perpendicular distance between the two is given by this distance. Let us name it A point, B point and C point. So what is sine theta here? Sine theta is perpendicular upon base, and what is perpendicular? BC upon, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. What is AC? AC is the length of the dipole, 2L. So what is BC? BC is equal to AC, I think I am right, मेरे पास अब वो पुराना लिखा हुआ नहीं है, AC sin theta, and AC is equal to 2L into sin theta. So perpendicular distance between the two forces is BC. ये था जो. So हमने 2L sin theta कहाँ से आया? This is the perpendicular distance between what? Between the two forces. So torque is equal to QE into 2L sin theta. What is Q into 2L? P. So the formula becomes, लिखिए, formula becomes PE sin theta. So torque is equal to P cross E. Torque is P cross E. Direction of torque. कैसे निकालेंगे direction of torque? Can you tell me? To find out the direction of torque, we have one rule. आपने टॉर्क के बहुत सारे डायरेक्शन 11th क्लास में निकाले होंगे, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट? राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल. कर्ल योर 4 fingers from P to E. Thumb will give the direction of torque experienced due to this whole system, that is when electric dipole is placed in uniform electric field. Where is your P? ये है आपका P. Where is your E? ये है आपका E. अब आपको अपनी थंब, अपनी 4 fingers कहाँ से कहाँ लानी है? P से E की तरफ. This is your P and this is your E. You can see it in the figure. So जब आपकी फिंगर्स कर्ल होंगी P से E की तरफ, तो आपका थंब कहाँ जाएगा राइट हैंड का? डाउनवर्ड, perpendicular to the plane of the board or copy or mobile screen, and inwards. So what is the direction of torque here? Direction of torque is perpendicular and into the plane containing P and E. What is the SI unit of torque? It is Newton into meter. किसकी यूनिट है ये? वर्क की, एनर्जी की, एंड इट इज जूल. So this is E, this is P, angle between them. Now curl your fingers from P to E, you will get the direction of torque. What happens if theta is 0? Here, if theta is 0, then sin 0 is 0. That's why torque is 0. What will happen if theta is 90? Sin 90 is 1. So torque is P into E, maximum. What happens if theta is 180 degree? E is here and P is here. So this is the angle 180 degree. Now tell me, 180 degree sin 180 is again 0. So torque is 0. Fine. If theta is 90, then torque is PE. That is the maximum value of torque experienced. And if theta is 180, then torque is again 0. Show in the form of vectors the relationship when theta is 0, when theta is 90, when theta is 180. आप फिक्स कर लीजिए कि E हमेशा आप इस डायरेक्शन में बनाएंगे. अभी आपको P शो करना है. जब 0 होगा तो इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल मोमेंट किस डायरेक्शन में होगा. इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल मोमेंट अगर इस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में है तो वह उसका प्लस और माइनस चार्ज कहाँ होगा. शो इट with the help of diagram and send me on WhatsApp.